Hey everyone, I welcome you in my channel. Today I am going to review a super powerful soundbar from Blaupunkt, a compact 2.0 channel speaker system from Blaupunkt designed to boost your TV audio. Since I am using this soundbar for a very long time, so I thought I should make a review on this. Here is our soundbar. You can see about its design and build. This is the all black matte finish and metal grill give it a sleek and sturdy look. This is a power button. Control for power, volume and input charge are neatly placed on the side, and also it has a LED light to indicate that this soundbar is powered on. The unit weighs around 8.5 kg, spans about 75 cm in width. So it sits nicely under a 40-inch TV. It can stand like this, and on the back here you can see it is wall mountable. On the side it is a multi-connectivity, and we can also connect by USB, auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2. About its specification, this soundbar model name is Blaupunkt BLAU TV-SB01. Here you can see rated voltage up to 110 volts to 240 volts, and output power is 30 watts. Means it is giving a full 80 watts of RMS with channel 2.0, which means it doesn't have a separate subwoofer. Okay, frequency range up to 35 Hz to 20 kHz. Inputs, yes guys, this soundbar is multi-connectivity. It has Bluetooth, auxiliary inputs and USB also, and it has no HDMI, but multiple connectivity options make it versatile. And also it has a wall mountable or can sit flat under your TV. So this soundbar is designed for mid-sized rooms, perfect for regular TV viewing, music or even casual gaming. And now let's connect this soundbar. Connecting this soundbar is super simple. Just connect this power cord and you can see it is powered on now. You can pair your phone via Bluetooth and stream music instantly, and you can also plug in your TV using the auxiliary cable or optical input for better sound quality. You can also even play songs from a USB drive directly. Remember that last modes you use, so next time you power it on, it connects automatically. Okay, now let's power on this. So now it is connected, as you can see. Now let's play some music. As you have here guys, the soundbar offers a clear mids and highs and decent bass for a 2.0 system. It shake the room like a subwoofer, but for daily use it's more than enough. What amazing sound quality and amazing bass. About its pros and cons, this soundbar from Blaupunkt has a great sound clarity and volume at 80 watts, and sleek and compact design, multiple input options like as you have already seen here. It has USB and 2 auxiliary inputs for easy to connectivity, EQ modes for different scenarios, value for money under 7,000. And about its cons, it has no HDMI port and no app control or display menu. So what's my final verdict is this Blaupunkt BLAU TVS-B01, the model number, is a great soundbar for those looking to upgrade from basic TV speakers without spending a fortune. It offers clear sound, simple connectivity and user-friendly controls, ideal for everyday home use. If you want deeper bass and high pitch, and you might want a subwoofer model, but if you are on a budget, so this one absolutely delivers. So tell me in the comments what you think, and if you have questions, I will be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you next video.